right, so we just took our Sara Lee classic pound cake and cut it up into small pieces. Now we're gonna go ahead and bring in our little champagne coupes, just like so. And we are going to take some of our pound cake pieces and we are gonna put it right at the bottom of our champagne coupes, just like this. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious no-bake dessert. Obviously, if you wanna bake your own pound cake, it would make it a baked dessert. But for me, I like to keep it easy and I love the Sara Lee pound cake, so that's what I decided to do. This is so fun for, a Galentine's, or if you want to make it for your Valentine, whatever you want to make it for, everyone will love it. Okay, let's get that layer right in there. Beautiful. And look, we have some left over to eat while we bake. Now we're going to come in with some cherry pie filling in our ice cream scoop. And we're going to add 1 scoop of pie filling right on top of those pound cake pieces, just like so. Now I love to do this with cherry or strawberry, but you could also do it with blueberry, lemon pie filling, whatever pie filling you like, apple during Thanksgiving times. But I think cherry is just so romantic and perfect for Valentine's, so that's what I went with. Okay, yummy. I'm just gonna quickly grab a little spatula and kind of just smooth out that pie filling so we have a more even surface, because we have something extra yummy coming next that I think is really gonna pull this dessert together. Beautiful. All right, now for the best part, our cheesecake no bake. Oh my goodness, this stuff is addicting. And we are gonna put some of that cheesecake no bake right on top of that cherry pie filling. So it's like a cherry cheesecake dessert. Oh my, it smells so good. This is gonna be delicious, yummy, outstanding, incredible, whatever you wanna call it. I think I'm gonna do 2 scoops of cheesecake because it really is the best part of this dessert.
Yeah, that is the good stuff, so.
Yeah.
More.
Now, if you can't find this no-bake stuff, no-bake cheesecake, you can use the Jell-O no-bake where they add milk into it, and then it's almost the same exact thing as this tub.
But this one's from Walmart.
Yes, this one's from Walmart. Okay, come back in with our spatula and just flatten out that cheesecake, get it a little bit, mixed in with that pie filling. Oh, look at those beautiful layers. I love using my champagne coupes for this because it just makes it extra romantic. Ooh, I cannot wait to eat these. Best part is you don't have to wait for your oven to cook them. You can just eat them right after we assemble. It's just assemble and then enjoy. Okay, beautiful. Now I just whipped up some homemade whipped cream and I put it in a piping bag because that's what's gonna make these extra beautiful. And we are just gonna pipe our whipped cream right on top, just like that. Ooh, just when I thought they couldn't get any prettier, homemade whipped cream just takes the cake, the pound cake, of course.
The cheesecake.
Yeah, whatever kind of cake you want. This has it all. Okay, let's make these extra pretty. Last one. Ooh, got the perfect amount of whipped cream. Now, this would not be complete without some fresh fruit. So I have some yummy fresh cherries that we're just gonna put right on top. Look how darling. I'm gonna add one more thing after these cherries and then these are gonna be ready to indulge. Now be aware these do have pits in them. So if you don't want the pits, you could do some maraschino cherries or you can just skip the cherry on top altogether, but I personally love a good cherry. Now, add a little bit more color, just a little bit of mint to garnish, and then we can enjoy. Look at that beautiful mint. Smells amazing, looks amazing.
Is amazing.
And we're just gonna grab a little bit of mint right there. All right, you guys, the wait is over. It is time to enjoy. Oh my, okay, let's dig in. Look at that bite.
Is it good?
Incredible. Cheers.